Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. MBOS declares the SSLC results. Students achieve fruits of hard work. Leaders' demands yield no outcome. Public takes matters in their hands. Public with placards march towards MLA Umsning to be heard. And Nongson youth to hold a peace rally on the 30th May. And now the news in detail. Corners of every streets and localities of the state are eagerly waiting for the results of their near and dear ones. Students are anxious and worried whether their hard work will pay off or it will serve them cold. The Meghalaya Board of School Education declared the Secondary School Leaving Certificate 2023, where various students from various schools under MBOS secured satisfactory results. Springfield Snaitang from Sip Singh Memorial Government High Secondary School, Nongpendeng, secured the 8th position in top 20. Amir Lari Kerpang Pueng from Anderson High Secondary School, Upper New Nongson, came in the 12th position in top 20 SSLC results. Albin Lingdok Marshallong from St. Joseph High Secondary School came in the 20th position along with other students from other schools. Kennedy Dondor Richard Dunai from All Saints Diocesan High Secondary School, Shillong, came in the 5th position amongst the 10 students in the top 10 list. Jyoti Priya Bhattacharjee from St. Margaret High Secondary School, Shillong, secured the 2nd position, and Tanushri Acharjee in the 3rd position, and Sanida Emi Pakma from St. Mary's High Secondary School, Shillong, in the 9th position. Whereas from Tura, the Rangitam, Salrime M. Sangma from St. Xavier High Secondary School came in the 3rd position. Principals and teachers of all the schools who produced gems expressed their immense joy on the achievement of the students and hope that their future will be as bright as their happy faces on this day. The students who accomplished their desires expressed their gratitude to the schools, their near and dear ones, and also encouraged fellow students to always strive for the best and work hard to accomplish what one desires.
Kani ka sni ba kemen yang ka school haba ya result jong ka SSLC arpulai ngin la ai ba permit mener ka MBOS kung juro ya ka higher secondary arts bat kalong ka eke basot na bat ka bangi la kemi lenti hiru ba hagani ka sni isapiri hun lengdok la yo ya karang ka bakat pra ha ka top list jong ka MBOS ha ka SSLC result kalong ka jingo menengkong yo blay ka jing kersyan bor jong yang i baro kung ka school kinong hikay bat ki kemi ki par kunjo ban ni ai ku blay kinong hikay ya ka jing persyang jong ki ya ka jing ka support jong ki jing kersyan jong ki ya ki kena school ka result jong ka bahai man ka snem ya kaning zaman aingo yo blay ba ya kinong hikay ba ki kena ki biya tresitam nei mentak snem yo ya karang lengbay sapiri hon lengdo bat ka school ka ju terwa balada ki beteng ban puli ha ka school ya ka higher secondary class 11 ka school ngin ai ka free schooling ka ya ka class 11 but 12 lada ki beteng bat ngi ha ka nu ka stream ru tegane ka dai ka jing kersyan ka acknowledgement yang jongi ka jing itu jongi ya ka jing persyang jing tresitom jong kino ki kena school tengi ya aingu epi ka press ru but ai ba kan ni leng ba ka kubor ba pin ai shiki wei pat kan long ba hang ni hari boy ni don ke jingkermen ni dang bon shu ki kena ki balak ban wan syakmat ni don kam tang ban tresitom ban pelek jingmut bat ban perkat ban ngila ban lek bat ha ni don kata ke jingmut ban ngila ban lek kamut ngila ban lek bat sai hisin kan ni kam de ka sin ban kong ka alpha school ha kan ni ka snem ni yo ka 12 commerce ru top rank nata mentar sin yo ke SSLC bat ngila juyo regisnem ngila jule kum ta ya ki ba pass bahai ke class 10 ki continue ka study jong ki jing puli jong ki high school ngim kim hap CAA ya hal la da kanu ka stream
ya per jok thi mi we ni ba yeng jong sapi so kum no ki sapi yo ya kan ka resort ba ha
Aku boleh syukur ni yang tak kajing kerja jengki, nak lihat jengki press baru. Haba ka result kalami minta apa kajing dokumen nomor kajik ki jingi kum ki kimi ki paru kalong kum tahi bagi khon ki le bha kajik pule ki jongki dan ko ai nga ai kajing ka buram shaw blai baro bayalam ni kum ka yin ka sam namar ni sutu bar da klam kajing lam ka jong blai himla bande e yang bari ka jing im ka jongi te kum ka kimi ba pe ki khon walanga de trai khon ro re walong kum ka kimi namar ni sa langa du ba kita ngarit na pe himanga na dong sadong rengkat ka kemi ke jengki banyak masa banyak pendap ki ha ka jinglong ha ka dok ha ka musim ha ka dinang jingstan ten so ba ngin ayu nu ko ayo play nang ba jok kane ka jingyo result ka jeng ka sapi menta ka sngi de ndap ka diso komen ka bakrau nga ai ka jingu ka borom ya ka school hangni ka alpha english higher secondary school kabalang baik principal imam kilong hikai baro kilong ke baya support kilong ke ba ai museum ke ba kloi benyarap ha ka jing pule bat de ka jing ai museum ka jing ki ba penlong ya ka sapi bakan minon bana kaliang jing ni ong pide ban minot ha ba na school kila kabilinti ya ka ba bat ka ik ba pila ban le ya kata nyim ong bangin le palat ya ka bor ndrei ka ke ba piran ke capability ka jing pi kide ban le be khnang ba pirun ra ka burom ya ka school yala dia banyak yang kasih banyak ketani he berok kawai dia kata dia ke jingso ka jengi
hadir video yang negara seperti pas kena lagi ega message ke pipi ko na shikwi pati kena sama berapa don paling jauh kre yang matrik
ke ngaku apa nak orang kibar ban pulih kau dah ban nunggu tank kumbang balik manga ban pulih ban ai 100% kenang ba pila ban poi syakmat ngatip ba ka jiminat kalong ka pakongsan ban poi syakmat
Kumbakan pa bikra pa ris.
Kapor ba jan exam ko to nga puli kumbakan riu nyaw punta.
Thanks Sandra Martna but Medina Christian Academy but ngarayo boy ru hagan ka top 10 list jong ka SSLC exams. No comment hidup tak tahu but I know you play beladan dekat lambat na. Haman kalinti ka hajing imzah mo. Raya ke Shillong. Normally tidak dong school pun tu mang jadi kami buat kan ban cakap nomor bangun school nomor ban tuition. Di so ngapuli kat pun tu 3-4 hours a day tidak di Saturday tu nak kan put in more effort. Kita tinggal opt for science stream. Dia dengan super catch. Nomor bang aku ada medical sciences tak ada.
Medical science. Okay. Khasinews dari sekolah Christian Academy. Wrong. Engkau kita semuanya boleh nak menjadi engkau ada beli Kristen ada berangkat tu ada dekat dengan tempat di kami juga di kami boleh. Banyak aku ayu tidak kai beruk dak Kristen entah Kristen ni tak terima buat sini cepat kita hari ini Kristennya hanya sini ataupun jadi beruk kalau berjalan duduk bahagian sana barat. Kita sampai cuma dengan kami konsumsi masa langsung hai dia sampai iban nak benda teman ni buat kita bantu minta dan kita bantu anak pilih yang singkat ini
pilih you pak pilih sijil guys science kira apa fijit science
mengenai yang untuk kami kamban train minta kita terus sampai kita haji memang dokter bantang baku memang dokter memang semua dah tambah sampai hadiah buat kesawan yang bisa sempit masa kami coba hadiah dan minta kan pada sempit ada
gap na gajingmen himo na maba abangi tip ba ka kishna kali ha ba ka school ka produce a very good result no ti abangi i language ha ka list ti shisha long ni klam da expect kata kan tambah ni abangi i budan language ka pendap ya yang ni da gajingmen kan ka kra
ke ya bahasa
ka in comparison with last year ti long ti kabiang hi kalau ka result mentah kan as in you malan ni compare with last year's result last year ni dan samud ha list this year line ti more or less kalau kumju hi ka result kan and you 100% ni pa of line baru of line class
okay ti
then in kongshwa na pa congratulate all the students on the good result and the good result that they've achieved. ti ni kong chul ai ni blay nang ta ka result na ha ni yo bat ga message ka long ba kinang kham tre kham ha shu kinang kham minot shu na magbang su hi to be able to reach the top it's only through hard work. They don't come here and shu ka jumki aka jimpude ka jumki ka ba pursue the higher studies kana kham tamba ande ada misotu hi ada kanundon hi kanu ada jin shajot ada dan ka jin krishta
Okay.
Ki kena hi kalau ni lada ki dia bani pet hi mo ni kini kila pass ki dan kini kila ada ki role models jumki ki kirang pet hi kirang yo hi ka lesson ni kini hi ba tiru kunju kumba kilam hi kiran kam kiman tin pressure.
When I needed a time, no, I need break. Then I always scroll through reels, endless reels, okay. And then I felt free, like to always say, what should I do? But then I said to myself that it's okay, calm down, you'll do good. We have studied the whole year, so you'll do good. Just scroll through 2-3 reels, you'll feel okay. Then I saw 2-3 reels, and then I was fine. Not like any other, like I belong from a lower middle class, okay? So I will not like a child, a very aspiring child from a lower middle class to, to shut her or his dreams, to think that no, I belong to this class, so I should not aim high. You should aim high, and then you will go to the goal, right? So don't stop your dreams, just go with the flow and study hard work. My future plans, as you asked, I want to clear the UPSC CSC exams and become an IAS officer or an IPS officer. I would be honored if I go to that, if I even get air. I'm thinking to get air rank, okay, UPSC exam, CSC exam. I will be very honored.
What's next for you?
Pursuing arts stream. I'll be going for the arts stream, and I'll be doing BA in history or political science.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I was just saying that it really took some efforts to reach there. Like, I thought I wouldn't make it, but then I thought, no, I have to try it. I have to try my best. My only message to the young ones is that just be regular and don't worry about anything. It's like you just have to understand and just be regular. It's nothing to worry about, and always remember to do your best and always remember to pray to God, for nothing can be done without God's blessings after all. To study 24/7, you just need to understand the concepts and study regularly.
Yeah, like schedule type.
Yes.
Schedule type, yes.
What do you plan to do next time?
I'm still thinking. I haven't thought about my future yet. I'm still thinking.
It is evident from the past few days that the hunger strike forwarded by VPP leader Ardin Milabasayamot had influenced the entire state and aroused the feeling of unity among them. People from Nongpor constituency on the 26th May met with the MLA of Nongpor, Mirul Bon's aim to request him as their representative to address the reservation policy issue and demand a change for the same. After their meeting with the MLA of Nongpor, Ariston Rindongsngi and Arnold Sinkley on behalf of the people spoke with the media persons and informed that the meeting was successful when Mirul Bon actually supported their demands, and he assured to discuss with UDP and eventually take it to the government.
Ba Mirul Bon sim MLA jong Nongpor constituency kamdei bangidan ki hidden agenda la ki political propaganda ban pantalai ban Punjab burom ne ban kanto da kom tai rewian bitik nam ta kamat ki jura ba kajat men rewi kayat kendo mata kata ka badai ha ka ba ha ka bidai bat ka reservation policy ba ka roster system kembang latip ba ka reservation policy hapo Meghalaya ka kam syam layat kat kum ka jingdon brew andre ka laswiat bitik kat kum ka jingdon jeng tegi kerteng jeng tribe but ka jing implement ni ka roster system kabalaya biang syau tahu senyum nyupuar kabam laban peliang hangi kerja benriu di kumta ngilaong ye ngilai keren ba ya badi ba merolbon ba nagliang jung kumbi MLA ila ai ka assurance ba inkren hak parti ba nak parti hak sarkar mane keren bagi niatai halor kane kamat ba ngikmir nanti bakan long kumta di tangkum tahi bat kai gam kwa banong pat ya baro gini ge mele khasi giba sngap jar gibrang dan gibrang sngap jar giba sngap anti ni giba mele bamsut nyo tatip ba ya usdi 8 apul pa hatrai jong ding bat jar uding bam siso en pengat yu ban thang yu geding gejilip bat hata ka por pisal nyar ba pisa kreat binat andai ka por kelakot tulis ban ngai kuble yepi ki nok hok ko bor ya ka jing pelai por jing pi ban don mata lang ban ni kham tam ya ki ru pai ba ki long kemi ki khana samla ki ba don lang ban ni hakan ka por ban sanran lang ya ka daw ba jong kari ban ka jaj ben sa ka jong ni ti kumba pila ti ka ka daw ka bang wan hang ni ka daw ba ka dei na bata ka lawe kari ba ka jaj ben ka isu ka balaki da ba dan ka jingwan jing ni kamdon kanu kanu ka daw kamdon kanu ka political benefit lane kamdon kanu kata ka bangi penduk long yano bai de ka kam sanyi masima ande ka de be si benta na benta ka daw ba jong kari ba ka jaj ben ka jingwan jing ni ka dei longba kinong snong jong kanong po constituency barok hoj kamdei na kanong ka puruk kadei na kinong snong jong kanong po constituency hai kanong rim ka bangiwan kanong rim be na benta ban kersan ya ka jengki jong uba arden na benta ka rustar mat ka reservation policy ngimla ban peang ya ka rustar ka bayat halam da ribe kan da failin chwa ya ka kimi ka belong ka reservation policy kumba kalong kumbangi la ikren da uba airus tun ba ya ka reservation policy lale halam dapat ba ya ka population structure kubangi longi don hadu daki laipo arlak laipo lak tam don kan pensiong dor bat kiba sanlak ya kaju ka reservation kamla belong mla dan TKI ke polisi ka ba ka government kan nomla aban review kadon semua ke polisi ba government kan nomla aban review barok pilatif bah hapo nagalan kumno ukuran hapo social media ke news unai firio chefin sar jo nagalan ulak keluar ba hadin jo ka census ngin review ya ka polisi reservation policy ti balai po Meghalaya jeng amla benle ya ta ka ka jeng kentu bat ka jeng kemen ka jeng kalong ba hadin bang nilai kenduk ya MLA jeng kanong po konsi bodai na ka parti UDP kadai ka jeng kular ka jeng ai jeng ka jeng keren ka ba kursan ya kani ka isu ya ka ba hi ya don beta ngakar sa komen bat ngin daam ngin dapet ka ba nakaliang jong MLA keren bat ngi kami nanti bo jeng MLA jeng unsa keren ya kani kamat unsa ra ya kani kamat kata kamat ba keren kata ka song jeng start jeng ula keren hati hilap atau khobor nen la keren hangdong ngimtip ya tang bana kaliang jong ngi sekmen ba ula keren ula kular ba keren ya kani kamat ka kata mat yong ya kari ba jaj ben riu ko jongi ti ka ka bangi kentu nakaliang jongi ki rupa jo kinong susnong jong kari boy bro we ya baro ki MLA jong kari kasih janja ya bro live ho wingot ke MLA jong kari kasih janja bakin hapan simprai kani ka isu kamdei na banta ka jongi onong jong dong no kadi ke jongi onong nam ta ki kun ki longdin ki mandin ke jongi kadi kata ka jeng kentu ke jongi bat sakale ke jeng kentu nakaliang jongi pai ba kalong ba lada kanja ya unong ya ki ya unong ya lam jongi ba arden nakaliang jongi ngilalong ready nakaliang jongi ngilalong ki belak bat katama kan sakhi lada kini ki ding mau long kim keren kim le tak dam do mano bade sikli bat kom ki ki live hungut ke kasih bat bar ka di MDA government kin haban ba kali ya ka ka ba lada ja yo ba arden kata ka di kajeng maham ka jongi bala raja yo ba dan nakaliang ni lalong ready ba
step nakaliang jonga MLA jong nong po konsi nandap da jeng komen ka bakraw ban yo ban ya kendu ya ki nong song snong tam gi kun samla jong ka kemri boy kanong po konsi ki balawan ban ya kendu ban pensngo alor kajing yai lenti kumno ban review lane ban penkela ya ka reservation policy po ka jela ka jongi ngas ngau burom ya kijing ai jing mut kijong ki ban nga pau kijing sungu ya baro kini ki men ki para ki prachnong prathau ki bala wan ki basukya halor kani kamat na kaliang kajong nga kum Emily tu ngasukya sibun ya kani dan re kadi kamat kaba khia bat kaba jeliu hadin ka election jong kani kesnem hajar apulai hadin bala thau ya sorkar hadin ba ijinya keren kila sedang baniat bat menta kadon kani kesur nagi pajba kabami na kabanta kumno ban review ya ka reservation policy bat kum ka parti UDP ru kani gede ka don haka manifesto jong ka parti haka ba kum ka parti ngi hab ban ya keren ban ya ngam jeliu ban ya piliu jengmut kamlong bangin shu le khlut ya kani ka isu nasmo ban apil ya ki parano sung sunong gibi it ki jongi ni kum kinong mikmat gi ba phi flejit ni don ka jing kitli ni singu khya ya kani ka mat ngin ya keren mentang inang don hagalenti ban page ban kmi ban penwandur kenang ba kanong kejing mentoy na kabenta kari hasi jantia bat kejelah bro kowe kenang ba kanum kata yano idon kam ke sungsuk sung sungai ngso man apil ya ki sung sunong gibi apin so bahaban ai kejing trilang ba pinyesha na kaliang ngojongi na kaliang ka parti kejongi ru ngin simkhia kat bala ban page ban kmi na kabenta kejing mentoy jong bobun balang bang ai kublai sesin ni gini ki samla ki long kemi ki belewan bat ba nya kitbok tu yang ikiru ba kenang la banyo gamet ka bakot ka bakhya nang tribahan na ka benta kadong ka than kari
None can judge whether the actions of the leaders will lead to a good or bad outcome. However, it is with no doubt that the common man is influenced by such protests. Similarly, people from Umsning constituency on the 26th May organized a public rally where people raised slogans forcing action on the part of the leaders and raising placards with various words urging the government to pay attention to their voices. They began the rally from Umsning Town Dorbar Auditorium Hall straight to the residence of MLA Umsning constituency Dr. Celestin Lingdo at Umsatsning Ribhoi district with the intention to meet face-to-face with him and request him to exercise his power and address the revision of the reservation policy. Unfortunately, their attempt could not yield positive outcome due to the absence of the MLA and his house was locked with no one inside.
Nga day kum ibe ni nong hikay te hagan ni kasi nga haban mi syakmat ban kersyan lang ya ka jing sya tangan jing iba arden hang tay hapo sekretariat te hak jing sya hagan ni kasi ka ba ka result jong ka matrik kami ho ngidap nakaliang ka jongi ka Umsning constituency ru ngi ai kublei ya baro ki kena matrik bat ki kena bale ya ka class 12 ru ki bala pas te nakaliang jongi ru ngi ai ngi sim ka kabu hang ni ban ai kublei yaki bat ka wei ru ngami syakmat kalong haba mentas hapor shpo biji ba kami ka result ngami syakmat ha school ngalakren yaki baki kena ngi layak kemen nam ta ka jinga pas ke jongki baki kena school ndre ngami no na school ngahaban wan no shani ban yashim benta kadai na ka benta ka future ke jongki ngawan syakmat na ka benta ka future ke jongki ban yasa lem hadian jong ka future jongki ngimtip ayu kan ja tedai na kani ka daw ngami syakmat ken ban kersyan lang ya kani ka jingdawa jong ka seng ke jongi tang kita kublish
kajingwan jungi hi kalong kabaning kong kalong ba ni penram ke ni ya MLA jongi mo iba I Dr. Celestian lengdo hakaba isngap jar but gi kapan pau ba babon hina ki MLA khasi ki donut hakalor kane ka issue na kamta ka reservation policy kata hi kane ka wei ka bangidon kam nawar kumbang itip hi ba ngidon kam ban review ya kamo kumbang itip ba ka reservation policy ka desya ka bala outdated tingidon kam ya ka ba ka sarkar mo MDA 2 kadai ban review biang sa sisian ban pej katkum ka nongrim ka jing bun paj mo te kumbang I menta ka don sisa kata ka jing no Shillong bat ka bala long rim palat tinta ka daw bat kum menta hingi wan hang ne ka long bangin penram amdai tang ya MLA jongi handrangi penram ru ya baro samtli ki konstituensi ki badan hak thamri boy jongi mo kira kata hi da ka wei ka sur ngi wan hang ne bat kani ka khubor kalong ya baro ki MLA khasi jongi kalong balai phi dang ting ha kata ka jing syate ha ka an jong ki parti ki ba phidan bat philen no pat ya ka jat benriu ka jongi ma nam ta ka jing jing kya jong ka jat.
The fight for the revision of the reservation policy had been going on for a while in Shillong. A group of young people in Nongstoin decided to forward a peace rally on the 30th May to force the government into revising the reservation policy. Speaking to the media persons, the youth exclaimed that they are organizing the peace rally on account of rendering support to VPP in its fight for the Khasi and Jaintia. They brief on the track that they are going to follow. They will begin the rally at 3 p.m. from Rambrai and all around Nongstoin, and it will be concluded at the indoor stadium, which will immediately be followed by a public meeting.
Para samla jong kane ka dong kathan West Khasi Hill District hi Brokaway ngila sngudei but ngila ya manjur but ai ka jing kershan ka bapura ha ka bayadei but ka jing dawa jong noelam jong ka jat benreu ngila banong bodai president jong ka VPP ha ka ba uladawa ban review biang ya kane ka reservation policy jong ka jela Meghalaya jungi Tiha kabadi berkata, ngi kum ki samla jong ka West Khasi Hill District hi Brokaway, ngi dehi kita ki sok ki sembai jong ka jat benreu hanyo trap bani ka jat benreu khasi ngi sngo ba ka ni ka jingdawa kalong ka jingdawa lani ka mat ka ba don kam hadu kata-kata na ka benta ka lawe jong ki khun ki kiti na kabenta kalaway jong ki hep ki baret na kabenta kalaway jong ka pateng ka ban sakha ti namar kata ngilerai bangin penlong no da ka peace rally ka ba ngin penlong ha ka laipoterik bunai pasan ar hajar ar pulai kata kadai kesni ba arban wan ka ba de kesni yoret but iya kan ka rally ngin penlong hakapor lai baje janmet bat kata kalong bangin ailat ya ki khna school ki khna college ru ki ba danglet school danglet pule lese ki la ban pelat ya kata kapor na ka benta ka ni ka rally bat ya kan ni ka rally ngin penlong da ka bangin sedang nang te na la ramrai ha SBI Nongstoin bat ngin yat leng ba ka ni ka yo Nongstoin bat ngin penkut hang te hapo indoor stadium hajan lapwitang hakabangin sa penlong ya ka jingalang lengkot hakate gesni hakaban ya ther ya tai hakabai dei but kita kimat jingdawa jong ka jat benreu nyu krap hakabade but ka reservation policy te hakade ka por ngisim ya kalat ka kabu ban khot ban wer ya barok khot ki samla ya barok khot ki kenjaseng lagi dei giseng bhalang la da gidei giseng kino giseng trimon subha ki SHG ni kino giseng lani kino ginoelam jong ki khasi la da dei ginoelam sunong la da dei ginoelam hima kilong kmi kilong kpa ki khna school ki.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.